So how do you actually turn your GoHighLevel clients into affiliates? Well, you can scale your GoHighLevel business by turning happy clients into affiliates instead of only earning from setup fees and monthly retainers. You can earn from recurring commissions every single time they refer a paying client. Now, because GoHighLevel solves a real problem, most clients are pretty happy to share it. That's of course if you give them a simple, structured way to earn money. That brings us to our next point. How to create a simple affiliate program that you can explain within 30 seconds. Well, this basically includes designing a clean affiliate structure with a flat monthly commission. This could be anything from $50 to $150 per active client, or a percentage of the first month fee, which would be 20 to 50%. This allows you to give each client a unique link or a promo code and clearly explain how they actually get paid. This could be through PayPal, a bank transfer, or even a Stripe payout on the first of every month. Talking about affiliates, go ahead and use my affiliate link in the description down below if you want to get started with GoHighLevel. Now, you can host the sign-up forms as well as the terms on a short page inside of GoHighLevel, so everything stays literally in one system. That's one of the advantages of GoHighLevel. Let's talk about using GoHighLevel to track referrals. Okay, so you don't need a separate tool to do this. You can create a public landing page or a sign-up form with a unique URL or a UTM tag for each client. What does this mean? Well, when someone signs up through that specific affiliate link, GoHighLevel can actually tag them with a referred by and a client name and add this to a custom field to store the source, and then use a workflow to notify you and mark the referral once the client becomes a paying user, so you can calculate commissions from your CRM data. Let's talk about giving your clients ready-made promotional assets. What you want to do is make it effortless for clients to promote you by giving them plug-and-play assets. This could include a short affiliate landing page that they can share, which has got pre-written social posts, a simple email template, and a 1-minute explainer video showing how you had helped them. You can also store these on a GoHighLevel site section or gated resources page so that your clients can grab what they need without doing any extra work. One of the other things you can do is add tiers and quick wins to increase their motivation. So you can boost participation with simple performance tiers. For example, you can pay $50 per referral or $100 when they refer more than 3 clients and a free month of service after 5 referrals. You can also run short challenges like refer 3 clients in 30 days and get a $300 bonus. You can use tags and pipelines in GoHighLevel to track thresholds and trigger bonuses automatically when conditions are met. This is a great way to turn your best clients into long-term partners. Now, with your top clients, you can go beyond just the basic affiliate payouts and turn them into partners. You can offer higher commissions for acting as a channel partner. You can also let them have a white label or resell GoHighLevel services and create co-branding packages where you cross-promote. You can manage these relationships directly, again, within GoHighLevel with custom pipelines, fields, and workflows. So it feels like a real partnership and not just a once-off side gig. Now, again, before we continue, go ahead and click on the GoHighLevel referral link in this video description so you can get started. Right, now, how do we actually pitch this to a client in a natural way? Well, when you bring it up, keep the message short and benefit driven. Say something like, if you know someone who needs better lead gen or help with GoHighLevel, you can actually send them to me using your link. Every month that client stays active, I'll pay you a commission. Frame it as a side income opportunity that rewards them for helping others, and the most of the time they will be happy to probably say yes. I'm gonna say it again, if you are interested and you've watched this far, go ahead and use my link in the description to get started with GoHighLevel and make that dough. We'll see you next time.